Termites nesting inside wall voids demand targeted post-construction treatments to eliminate colonies without whole house fumigation. For post-construction wall void targeted treatments, start by confirming active infestation using probing, moisture meters, and listening for hollow-sounding wood. Then map the extent of the infestation by inspecting adjacent voids and baseboards. When drilling for injections, choose drill bit sizes and entry angles that reach the void while avoiding electrical wiring and plumbing. Drill at the top and bottom plates and through grout lines where accessible to maximize distribution. For fumigant injections, follow label rates for the chosen tentless fumigant. Inject slowly to allow gas diffusion and wait the required dwell time before ventilating. For non-repellent liquid termiticides, inject low pressure and work from the perimeters toward the center so the chemical is drawn through galleries. Baited dusting can be effective in localized nests by placing a suitable dust into voids and returning to monitor bait consumption and colony response every 7 to 10 days. When opting for heat or electrical probes, apply measured, even heat or electrical current sufficient to reach lethal temperatures for termites without damaging finishes. Monitor temperatures with a probe thermometer and avoid sustained overheating near wiring. After any treatment, seal access holes with appropriate materials and document treatment locations and dates for follow-up inspections and homeowner guidance. Common mistakes include failing to fully locate the colony, which leads to partial treatment and recurrence, so always expand inspection beyond the obvious feeding site and treat connected voids as well. A second mistake is using incorrect product placement, especially spraying surface treatments instead of injecting into voids. Correct this by confirming product labels allow void injection and follow injection patterns that reach the galleries. A third issue is inadequate post-treatment verification, which lets survivors re-establish. Resolve this by scheduling monitored follow-ups at 2 weeks, then monthly until activity ceases, and by using baits or detection devices to confirm eradication. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who can perform targeted post-construction treatments and provides tools for contractors to find work in our local markets. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experiences, ask questions, and compare methods so we can all learn and make better treatment choices.